Fill the tank with 1 liter water. Plug in the machine and press the power button. After the preheating is completed, place an empty coffee mug under the steam wand. Turn the side knob to hot water. After running water briefly to rinse the machine and warm your mug, turn the dial off. Lock in the double cup double wall filter. You're all set to brew. Add fresh coffee grounds to the portafilter. Then tamp firmly until level. Secure the portafilter handle into the brewing head. Press the double shot button to extract espresso. Awaiting extraction completion, perfect espresso is ready.